Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is the 7th of my uploading in conjunction with Born Pretty celebrating International Women's Day, and I'll be showing you guys how to use the Born Pretty reflective magnetic gel polish. So first of all, you need to apply your base coat. You can either use it on the natural nails or you can use it on an artificial nails. So this one I'm doing now, I'm using it on an artificial nails, and I'm applying the base coat first. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. After that, I'm going to apply a base gel. So if you want the color of the reflective magnetic gel to come out very well, you need to use a very dark base coat. You need to use a very dark base gel. So for this, I'll be using black, and I'll be using black from Born Pretty as well. I love their black, I love their white. They are well pigmented. In fact, a coat of their black or white is enough to do whatever you want to do. So I'm going to be doing a coat, just a coat of their black gel polish. I won't be doing two. So after applying the black gel polish, I'm going to cure these nails for 60 seconds as well. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademidu Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So I'm not going to be doing any form of extra design on this nails, because I just want to show you guys how to use the reflective magnetic gel polish. So thank you guys for watching my day 1, day 2 up to my day 6 for this video. This is day 7. Thank you guys for following me all through to this moment, and thank you because you're going to watch my videos till the end. So we have 5 more videos to go. Please don't let it flop. Watch my video. If you come across this on your timeline, please watch it till the end. And if you like what you see on this channel, please consider subscribing. So like I said in my previous videos, Born Pretty will be doing some sales on their website, and I'm going to be dropping the website link in the description box. If you're interested in buying of their products, kindly click on the link in the description box to get those items. Now I mean to understand that if you buy things that are worth up to $80 and above, you're going to get free gifts. And on the 10th of March, it's going to be the free shipping day. So start putting items in your cart now so you can place your order on the 10th of March. I'm also going to leave my coupon code in the description box and on the screen. It is Glitterspolish, so you can get discounts off any item you pick from their website. So I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, then we'll come back to start applying the reflective magnetic gel. So now we are back. So I'm going to apply the reflective magnetic gel on all the nails before I start using the magnetic wand. Now someone has accused me that I don't show me putting the hands in the UV lamp in my videos. The thing is, I use my phone to record, and the coverage is not too wide for me to include the lamp in the recordings. So kindly knows that after each application, I always tell my clients to put their hands in the lamp, which is not too far from my camera, but you won't be able to see it. So I'm going to apply this, like I said, on all the fingers before I start using the wand on it. I'm just taking my time to cap the tip of the nails. The magnetic wand has 2 ends. The one is the smaller side, another side is the bigger one. You can use any one you want to create the magnetic effect. It depends on the pattern which you want. If you want a bigger line, like you want it to be just in the middle like a line, you can use the bigger side. But if you want a kind of pattern which you can we can control a little bit. You can use the smaller side. So I'm going to be using the smaller side to create the magnetic effect. So I'm going to use a magnetic wand on the reflective magnetic gel polish before I cure it. Please kindly note that you are supposed to create the magnetic effect before you cure the nails. So when you're done creating whatever pattern you want to create with the reflective magnetic gel polish, you can then cure in the UV lamp for 60 seconds as well before you cap it with your top coat. I usually use the no wipe top coat from Born Pretty as well. So you can decide to push the magnetic gel polish any way you want to push it, just the way I'm doing. I'm not trying to create any particular pattern. I just want to push it in a little bit into the middle so that they can reflect in a beautiful way when we are done. Thank you guys for watching again. Enjoy this cover song from Christine Ini. Bye guys, and stay blessed.
See, let's appreciate and celebrate, show our love today and every day. Listen, I never talk it finish. I never talk it finish. I never talk. I never talk finish. I know they even start to talk. Now so submission, oh, shall we get assignment? So far, amen, enjoy forever. But you know, pay attention, no, to the intimidation she they face. No be like water. You know get enemy. If woman get confidence, so then she no be woman. Woman get money, one last share money. She no be woman. If she no got him man for side, then gonna push woman aside, and eventually, listen, I never talk it finish. I never talk it finish. I never talk. I never talk finish.
And you go change that with me. I see you too. I should change it, some of it.
Deliberate and celebrate, show our love today. No need to hate, cause nobody be like. Let's appreciate and celebrate, show our love today.